Hi, my name is Holly Zhao, Product Marketing Lead for Team Workspace Solutions here at Logitech B2B, and I'm here at ISE 2023. I'd like to introduce you to Logitech Scribe, our design award-winning AI-powered whiteboard camera that easily projects physical whiteboards into video meetings. So Scribe works to capture writing and drawings really clearly in order for the remote participant to see these whiteboards as if they were there in person. So if I were to write on this whiteboard, you can see on my side here that it can project these details with great clarity and de-warps the angle at which the camera is picking up the whiteboard. So again, remote participants can see these drawings and sticky notes and other notes super clearly from afar. There's a lot of great applications for Scribe here, not only for educational uses, for schools to use existing whiteboards and project into meetings, but also for any collaboration space where there is a whiteboard style display, and for participants to collaborate effectively and whiteboard and brainstorm with the remote participants. So we're really excited about Scribe, seeing tons of interest in it, not only in schools and education space, but in rooms and collaboration spaces worldwide. So you can find out more about Logitech Scribe at logitech.com/scribe and check it out and add it to your meeting rooms.